Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a countdown timer in Notion. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, begin at the Notion homepage. Once you're there, navigate to the workspace where you want to add your new countdown timer. It's important to choose the right workspace as this is where you'll be managing and viewing your timer regularly. After selecting your preferred workspace, tap in the space where you want to insert your countdown. Here, start typing the / key, followed by the word embed. Typing these commands will bring up a list of options and quick functions you can add to your page. From the options that appear, click on embed to proceed. This action will open up a new window where you'll be asked to enter a link. Here comes the important part. You'll need a specific URL for the countdown timer. Once you have your URL ready, paste it into the designated section in that window. Make sure to double-check that you've copied the correct URL, as it will directly affect the timer's functionality. After pasting the URL, click on the Embed link button. This will insert the countdown timer into your workspace page. You'll see the timer appear, but it might not be the exact size you want just yet. To fix this, resize the countdown timer to fit your needs and preferences by dragging its corners to increase or decrease its size. And that's it. So that is how you can add a countdown timer in Notion. So that's all for this video. Thanks.